Do you know how to copy and paste? Do you want to make money online? This video is exactly for you. My name is Pinto and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you copy and paste jobs that pays you $456 a day. So it's very easy to do that, guys. Why using this method? So first of all, it's completely free. You don't need to pay anything. Anybody can start. You can work worldwide. Doesn't matter if you are in Africa, if you are in different places in the world, it works as well. You don't need any kind of experience as well. So anybody can do that. Anybody, doesn't matter who you are, your age, anything, it doesn't matter. You can do it. I'm gonna show you 3 steps to do that. Okay, guys. So the first step is very easy. Remember, business is about exchanging things, exchanging knowledge and many things else. So by the way, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss anything across these channels. Okay, guys, so subscribe, hit the bell notification. Today I'm freaking excited and I want you to come with me. First of all, you need to find your offer. Go to ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plaza, or CB Engine. It doesn't really matter. But if you go to CB Engine, it's quite a bit way easier than other platforms. Basically, what is CB Engine? CB Engine is a place where you find products that are being sold in ClickBank, and you find all the top products over there. Okay, as you can see here, all these are the top products that are trending right now or that are making a lot of money to many people. So you can find this offer in ClickBanks. Let me just copy this one. Right, let me copy this one and let me show you. Go to ClickBank and then Marketplace. Type the products that you want to find. Click here. Take service for cash. And voila, as you can see we have this one, CB Engine, take service for cash. Let me change something like that. Okay, if you promote these products, you can earn almost $34, right? This is the average. You can earn more because I know that you have app sales. So you first of all look to their page, look to the main page, and then look to the affiliate page. You will see which one is better for you guys. So click here, promote, and you need to sign up, right? So have this link, generate your link, and after that you just need to copy your link and then use for another steps. So this is the first step. You need to go to first. You need to use to find your offer. What you want to offer to people. So the second step you're gonna have to do is basically you have to learn a little bit about your topic, what you want to sell. For instance, if you are into fitness, if you are into make money online or anything else, you need to learn a little bit about it. So as Gary will say, please use your mother Google. It's very easy. Go to Google, invest a little bit. For instance, how to make money online, read a little bit how to make money with affiliate marketing if you are promoting any kind of products related to this. So as you can see, you have many things here. So choose one, read a little bit, take 30 minutes per day, read and create something on your own, something related, your own topic, your own articles about it. You don't need to write like 1,000 pages or 1,000 words, but a little bit, and you know more than many people already. Okay, guys, so do that. You find the offer first, our first step, and then you learn a little bit about the topic. Or you can go answerthepublic.com, and if you write, for instance, make money online, you will see that you have many content, ideas so that you want to create a topic or search for to learn more about what you are trying to promote, right? So you see that all these kind of things is what people are searching. How make money online in 2019. So you can go through and see what is related to your products or what you are trying to sell, about your offer. So when you learn a little bit about your offer, third step that you have to do is drive traffic to your offer. Now you need to make people know a little bit about your offer. What you want to do for that, in this case, you need to use Quora or Pinterest. In Quora is very easy, right? You have already your question here. For instance, let me copy this question, right? Go to Quora and search for something like that. As you can see, I'll make money online 2019. Okay, I can make money online in 2019. Answer this question with what you already know, and then put your own link. As you can see, this guy put this link, PewDiePie, right? You will see that almost everybody here are doing the same, like putting their own links. So this is the other steps. And if you go to Pinterest, and Pinterest is quite big or easy to just create a pin or create a post. As you can see, this is one of my accounts. I'm getting a lot of traffic, like a lot of clicks with these things are here. Like, as you see, many impressions and many link clicks, and you can do that as well. So if you use Pinterest, you don't need to read a lot. You just need to know a little bit about Pinterest SEO, and then you can also make money with that. So just to recap, guys, first of all, find your offer and click Bank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, CP Engineer, or any other platform. And then you need to learn a little bit about your offer, right? Go to Google, your mother Google, and to the public or any other places that you can learn a little bit about that. And then you need to drive traffic to your offer. Driving traffic is nothing more than make people know about your offer. You can use Quora or Pinterest. It's one of the easiest and the fastest way to drive traffic, and it's completely free as well, guys. So thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I see you on the next video. Bye, guys.